Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will tell you about how you can contact Afterpay by phone in USA. It's very simple thing to do. If you need any help or provide any your your suggestion to them, or you can report any problem or if you try to fix any issue, you can solve it by phone them. So how you can call them by phone? To do this, open your web browser, then search for Afterpay customer service. And tap on it. Now here you will see three options. How do I message Afterpay for support? In this section you can message them. How do I call Afterpay? In this section you can call them and make a complaint about Afterpay, and here you can make complaint about them. So to do a phone call, select how do I call Afterpay, and here you will get instructions how you can do it. So you can you can get schedule of call them. So you can call 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday, and 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Sunday. You can call them, and you have to remember they are give solution by their help article. So they recommended starting there for the first solution. So if you need to call, then they will call back on your phone number. Just message them and they will call to back to you, and that's how you can contact with phone in US.